Most farmers in Uganda are not failing because of land or seed. They are failing because they ignore one thing: the system of watermelon production. Today, I will show you a complete, step-by-step watermelon farming method, from soil preparation to transplanting and early care, that can dramatically increase your yield, fruit size, and profit. If you are serious about farming watermelon commercially, listen carefully, because every step matters. The first step is field selection. Choose land that receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Watermelon is a sun-loving crop and cannot perform well in shade. The soil must be sandy loam, loose and well-drained, with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Avoid planting watermelon on land where cucurbits like pumpkins, cucumbers, squash or melons have been grown in the last 2 to 3 years to reduce disease buildup. Next is land clearing. Remove all weeds, crop residues, stones and stumps. A clean field improves airflow, reduces pests, and makes your farm easier to manage. Then comes soil testing. Test your soil pH before planting. If the soil is too acidic, apply agricultural lime weeks before planting. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy profit. Now, do deep plowing. Plow to a depth of 30 to 38 centimeters. This breaks hard soil layers, improves drainage, and allows watermelon roots to grow deep and strong. After plowing, harrow the field to create a fine, smooth seed bed. This improves seedling establishment and moisture distribution. Now, apply organic manure. Use well-decomposed cattle manure or chicken droppings and mix it evenly into the soil. This improves soil fertility, moisture retention, and microbial activity. Next is bed preparation. Form raised beds about 15 to 20 centimeters high and space rows 1.5 to 2 meters apart. This improves drainage and gives vines enough space to spread. Now listen carefully. This is one of the most important steps: spacing and planting holes. Within rows, maintain 60 to 90 centimeters between plants. Each planting hole should be 30 by 30 centimeters, deep and loose. This spacing allows strong vine growth, large fruit development, better sunlight exposure, and reduced disease pressure. Now apply basal fertilizers inside the planting hole. You can use DAP fertilizers such as ETG DAP, Agricare DAP, or Bukula DAP. These contain 18% nitrogen and 46% phosphorus, and they stimulate explosive root development. You can also use NPK starter blends like Thabiti NPK 17-17-17, Yaramila Winner, or Chapa Meli NPK. For stronger soil energy, use phosphatic blends like Physiolith from Nsanja Agrochemicals. Mix all fertilizers properly with soil to avoid root burn. Before transplanting, ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Water one day before transplanting to reduce shock and improve survival. Now comes transplanting. Transplant seedlings in the evening after 4 p.m. or during cloudy weather. First, harden seedlings by exposing them to sunlight for 3 to 4 days before transplanting. Remove seedlings carefully with soil intact. Place them in the hole at the same depth as the nursery and gently press soil around them. Never plant too deep or too shallow. Now the most critical stage: care after transplanting for the first 14 days. This stage determines your success or failure. For the first 3 days, water lightly twice daily, morning and evening. From day 4 to day 7, reduce watering and start pest monitoring, especially aphids and beetles. From day 8 to day 14, apply deep watering every 2 days. Start weed control and begin vine training. Always water at the base of the plant only. Never wet the leaves. Remember this: a successful watermelon farm is not built by chance. It is built by discipline, timing, and correct agronomic practices. When you follow this system correctly, you will get strong plants, bigger fruits, better quality, and higher profits. This is not just farming. This is precision watermelon production for commercial success. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more practical farming systems that turn small farms into profitable businesses.